Hey guys, it's your girl Coco and welcome to my channel. Wait, can you close the door? It's a rainy day in Hong Kong today, but my son wants to go out, so we're going to check out Wonder Valley Playroom in Lychee Kok. Come join us.
We decided on a playroom that wasn't too far from where we are. To get to Wonder Valley Playroom, you can take the train to Lychee Kok Station and take exit A. This playroom has both member and non-member rates, which I will post at the very end of this vlog. The area is big enough to have 3 different ball pit zones, a mini climbing area, a sand pit, and 1 or 2 different adventure play areas. There's also a track around the playroom for ride-on cars or scooters. This was one of Dee's favorite things to do. Syempre, a musician at heart. There's also an area for pretend play, because who doesn't want to start learning how to cut up carrots or buy vegetables? Yep, endless. My quick thoughts. For the price, 140 Hong Kong dollars on weekends as a non-member, plus a $500 cash deposit fee up front, I think you can get a better deal at other playrooms in Kowloon side. The strict 1-hour limit is a bit of a letdown, but hey, the place is clean and it's close to home. And that's a wrap. I hope to do more of this, so I'll catch you guys next time in Life with the Coco.